Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the video resolution on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So if you want to change the resolution of the video, then of course you want to open the camera, switch to the video mode, and then the video resolution can be adjusted over here in the top right corner. You can tap on the current resolution in order to switch between different ones. So we have 720p, 1080p, which is the full HD, we have 4K and 8K. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, you can open the camera menu. You can, for instance, tap on this arrow in the middle, and then over here you have the full list of resolutions. Keep in mind that in some cases the resolution cannot be used due to other options being enabled. So for instance, if you use the steady video, then in this case you only have 1080p available. I mean, this is the steady video pro. For the normal version we only have 1080p. So as you can see, some options can be limited. If you have something locked over here, then make sure that nothing else is enabled that could be disabling the resolution change. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!